Ready now, your majesty?
Pull more. What are you? Welcome back to our channel. So it's another day and we're hoping to get quite a lot done. Yesterday was again quite rainy, so we didn't get done as much as we wanted, but we couldn't film it, but we did manage to put the roof weather protection on and then also wrap the house. Couldn't film how we did the house wrap, but it's literally as they have it instructed in the booklet, and there was plenty of the material available, so when you start doing it, don't worry too much like, oh, do I need to stretch it too much? There is plenty of material to go around the house, so well done to house for producing good materials for this build so far. Today it promises to be quite dry weather, sun if we're lucky, but yeah, not so hopeful. We'll see. Our garden is still quite muddy, so we've got still pallets on. So here it is, and we're working in extreme conditions. But yeah, hopefully when you're building your house, you're gonna have lovely weather and the build goes much easier. But yeah, that is our story. So next, we've just cleaned the roof from the water residue from overnight. And we've made a little surface on our decking where we're going to cut the felt. Cut! No, start.
I reckon I can go there. Yep. With the metal ruler, I'll save us. Just like you do your fabrics, you should be an expert at this. This is exactly what you do, isn't it? This is pretty much end to end. Yeah.
It is meter.
Well, it's meant to be a metre, so it should be. That's two.
Have you got marker?
Peak of that circle, that water you spout. I'm going to roll it up now and just bring it back.
Yeah.
Roll it this way.
I guess we've got plenty, isn't it? It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Pull it,
Should be all right.
can you pull it?
Really?
Yeah. So that one wasn't it?
Yeah. Too much good.
There you go. Very scientific.
There. That's it. Let's roll it to there, let's roll it to there. Let's roll it up to that one so it was there. You want to get to the end of it then, won't you? That was 3. Yeah? We want 4, 5, 6, don't we?
Yeah.
There, that's 4. 56.
That's not really accurate, Han. I'm not confident. I don't like to do like that.
I think that was pretty good. We don't cut it on 4, 5, 6, cut it a bit longer.
6? No, 4, 5.
56 it should say. Yeah?
56, yeah, here.
560. Yeah?
Yeah, but how much off did we go? If we're short, we're screwed, Han. If we're short, we're screwed.
I know. Well, we'll end up buying some of this, won't we? That's what will happen.
Have you got marker? I've been asking you all morning.
One morning.
Yeah.
The taekwondo, I was stood there and I heard you, wasn't it? I got a marker! As I was doing Chonji.
Yeah. I've got idea now.
Just put a marker in where we said it was. Go on, let's see.
I can't remember now.
Oh. Right, happy?
Yeah. Roll.
straight now, so
Full
don't
four.
worry about that.
460.
456. 560 it should be.
Yeah, but I leave it extra a little bit.
Yeah? 460 then. They're saying only 75 mil overhang.
It depends which kind of roof you've got, Han.
Oh no, I'm just saying, that's what they're saying.
Yeah.
Am I cutting it?
Yep.
Yeah. That's my... Oh.
It's quite heavy.
Okay, it's my time. Happy
Time
with
to shine, yes.
that? Ooh. Ah, that's what I want. Oh, no. This sucks now. My feet up.
Right, ready to take the first one out.
Oh, I'm being recorded.
Let's see what
I'm
else.
being recorded. For YouTube.
Tell us what the day's been like.
Rubbish. I made a massive mistake. I cut the felt too short. Had a bit of sort of dyspraxia, or I don't have any of those things, I don't think, but I definitely twice got the measurement wrong on the felt. So Kat had to go out and get some new felt, which she really enjoyed, I'm sure. And yeah, all's well that ends well. Hopefully she's not that mad at me that she won't pass me the stuff behind her that I need.
You left here.
Actually, go.
Gloves, anything else?
Might need a glove in a minute. My hand's falling off. No, don't do this to me. Stupid. Down the middle of that. Where is the thing? Is that YouTube? Ooh, whoa. Jesus.
Did it
What are you
shake,
trying to do to me?
did it shake, is it?
Huh? Yes. That's like 15 kilos. Just being thrown on there.
tiny, aren't they?
Going pretty quick.
Easy to tap on your finger, that's what I mean.
Yes, but you can push them in fairly easily,
Yeah.
like with your finger to start them. Right, so I'm on the next one then.
Yeah, we need to get done.
Ready now, Your Majesty?
Two more. What are you?
Right, just get it on the line and go and have a look at, check that out. What was I supposed to do? It was there, I couldn't do anything.
You need to pull it a little bit more, hand.
It's fine on this side, it's lining up lovely.
Okay. I'll stretch it this way then. Facing.
I'll sort that bit out and let's hope it's not broken. Is it okay?
Yeah. Do you get grit size?
Yeah.
I looked how the last one was. I didn't look.
You know, that's fine, it's just like I think there's less here.
Yeah.
Might be worth just... Because I know it's there, because I put it right on the line. But pushing out is not getting it all out. I can feel it there. The nail will probably push it quite well.
Okay, I'll do that.
It's not bad, as you will see. My first felt roof ever. My first felt roof.
There you go. Do you feel empowered?
I assume it's your first felt roof as well.
Yeah. I fixed shed roof.
Huh?
I fixed shed roof,
You fixed the shed roof.
but not with new felt. I just put extra wood on top rather than felt. Oops.